Your new DermaDisc is going to arrive in this simple velvet pouch, which holds everything that you need. So inside you have the body of your device and you have 3 tips. So you'll have a fine and a medium and you'll have a smooth tip. The smooth tip can be kept in the refrigerator, and this will be your finishing tip for really calming and cooling the skin. The diamond tips are labeled. So on the side, it'll say fine or it will say medium. Most people just getting used to using this device should start with the fine disc until you become really an expert at it and you've had some practice with it. Once you've had some practice, I often start with the medium disc and then I go down to the fine disc and then I use the smooth disc. Now cleaning these discs is really simple. All you're going to do is throw them in the dishwasher, or you can use some alcohol or sanitizer to sanitize them. I find it super easy just to throw them right in the dishwasher after I use them. These diamond tips are really sturdy and they're going to last you a very, very long time. Now to attach the disc to your wand, you're going to take it and just gently screw it onto the tip here. Then down at the bottom, there's a little sticker. It says off and on. You just screw the bottom gently until it comes on. It starts to vibrate. And then your device is ready to use. You can turn it off to change the heads. And then start it up again. Now, one thing I want to caution you all is that you never unscrew. You unscrew the tip, but you never unscrew this portion of your device. That will break your device. So never unscrew from here. When it is time to change your battery, you're just going to unscrew from the bottom. You'll turn until it flicks on, and then you just keep gently turning, and the whole bottom tip will come unscrewed. This takes 1 AA battery. You can use a rechargeable battery if you want to. They sell chargers and rechargeable batteries at most electronic stores or on Amazon. Once you have your new battery, go ahead and place it inside. Give it a nice little press and then gently put the bottom back on and screw it all the way down. And then you're good to go for your next treatment. All right, now your DermaDisc is ready to use. I've attached a fine diamond tip and I'm going to rotate the bottom until it begins to vibrate. And when you're using this on the skin, you want to be sure to hold the skin taut so you're not pulling on your skin. And as a beginner, the best thing to do is go in one direction at a time. So if I hold my finger here to hold the skin, and then I'm going to work in downward strokes. Now you can go over the same area more than once. I usually do it until the skin pinks up nicely. You can also do this around the mouth, just hold your outer corner, moving inward. You can do the same thing on the jawline, moving down, the neck, moving down. Now, as you get better at using this device, and if your skin is strong enough, you can do a back and forth motion. It's a little more advanced. I'll show you the areas where I do a back and forth motion is where I have more rough texture. The forehead, sometimes around this crow's feet area, we can get some more buildup of dead skin cells and the texture is more rough. So I can hold with 2 fingers, I'm holding this area nice and taut, and then I can go up and down and work this area back and forth like that. I can do the same thing on the forehead. I can hold it nice and taut, go back and forth, or even up and down on the forehead. And you can do the same for the mouth. If you can hold the mouth area nice and firmly, you can go back and forth in that way. Now, in general, I like to use the DermaDisc on dry skin. I always start on dry skin. As you get better at this, you can use your medium disc, start it on dry skin, and then after you've gone over the entire face, neck, and chest, then attach your fine tip And I like to put some enzymes on my skin. So I'll use the enzymes from Botania. They have an essential enzyme that's very gentle and just has the perfect amount of slip to it. So I'll put some enzymes on, maybe a little spritz of hydrosol, and then you can do this same thing, go over the whole face again with a fine tip and the moist skin. So you're getting a dry dermabrasion as well as a moist dermabrasion. Then when you finish, change out to your smooth tip, which hopefully you've kept in the refrigerator, and then turn on and use this tip with your soothing mask. Put on your soothing mask or a hydrating gel mask, and then just use the smooth tip all over the face to just really calm and soothe the skin and help drive those nice anti-inflammatory and calming ingredients into the skin. That's it. It's very simple to use. If you have any questions, of course, just reach out to our live chat at Art of Skincare. We're here to help you.